Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Well, I do have a strange one for you, okay? It's a mail call, but it's not. It's actually a Chesapeake Beard and Grooming mystery box. I'm going to get to there in a moment. I will admit, I couldn't wait. I had to open it. I wanted to see what Gary put inside. But for those of you who are familiar with Chesapeake Beard and Grooming, skip ahead about a minute, minute and a half, and we're going to get right to the meat of the video, okay? For you guys who are unfamiliar with Chesapeake, I always love to do this in my videos and give you a little bit of background about the company. You can find them at www.chesapeakebeardco.com. Great website. They even have apps on your smartphones, as a matter of fact. I even did a review of one of those, but hold on, let me pull it up. You know, right there on my iPad. I can order anything from Chesapeake that I want to. Okay. Now, Gary is the owner over there. He is the HMFIC. He is former Marine Corps. So the company is 100% veteran-owned and Semper. Gary, I love everything you're doing over there. I know if Chesty was still alive, he'd be proud of you too. They are based out of Indian Head, Maryland, and I love the fact that with Chesapeake Beard and Grooming, there really is no BS with them. They don't have any gimmicks. They don't have any like fancy ads that are going buy, 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 buy. Gary does a lot of this stuff by word of mouth because his product is that good. They put a lot of time and effort into everything that they bring you as a consumer, and they also have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, get a hold of Gary. He's going to try to make it right. Now, let's get honest here for a moment. You're not going to get a beard oil and go, hey, this thing blows. Go on to the next one, go, hey, this thing blows, and try to go through his whole catalog. There's going to be a point where he's like, dude, sorry, here's your money back. Okay, now, you can find the mystery box stuff basically in the beard oil section. Right down there, right below. It's going to run you $37.50. I think it's a great deal. It really is. You're going to get at least that back in product. And it's random product. The best time, and I will tell you point blank, the best time to grab a mystery box is when Gary does his live sale on Instagram. It's utterly amazing. You get to pick your box. He's like, look, got a bunch of items, give me your order number. All right, what do you want? I like ordering mystery boxes every so often, and he's going to hate me for saying this because it makes Gary mad. I basically own everything Chesapeake has, and he has no idea what to put in there. So sometimes I just place an order just to make Gary go, you look. Sorry, Gary. All right, like I said, I really wanted to see what was in here because I'm like a kid in a candy store, okay? So one of the first items I got was his sandalwood comb. I'll be honest, I was kind of happy to get this because I'd never bought one. I didn't like the look of it. It looked weird. It looked off. So I never bought one. But after I've been using it this weekend, it goes through my beard great. No real snags, no real tears. I like it. The one item he did say he put in there, simply because the cuteness factor loves him, is from his now defunct Chesapeake Kids line. My daughter loves the Chesapeake body wash. Absolutely loves it. I bought a bunch of it the last time it was in the store. And, well, I'm grateful Gary put it in there. And the last item that I got, it's still in the bubble wrap because I haven't really gotten in there, is 1 ounce Silence Night. This stuff is great. I mean, I love it. Holiday, seasonal kind of thing. Now I got a spare and I'm going to make it through the year, no problem. So I easily feel between these three items, I more than got my money back. Like I said, I think it's a great deal. I think for those of you who like that, what am I going to get factor, or the surprise factor, or if you like subscription boxes. I know I used to do a bunch of unboxings on those, on my channel. It's a neat thing to get. Hey, $40, you're going to get mystery product back for your beard that's going to work wonderful. But now we're at the fun part of the video. Okay, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger right down below. Have you gotten a mystery box before? Have you got stuff from Chesapeake before? What's your favorite item from Chesapeake? It's weird how you can get stuff in the mystery box and go, I'd never thought of that. But still, Okay, for you wonderful first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know it's a weird one, I know it's an off one, but still, sometimes those are the most random ones that you can have fun with. Now, for you first-time viewers on my channel, you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, why not? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription, and we'll see how we can change the course, the history of this channel. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right there in that corner. I know I'm asking for a lot here, but it's all free. Seriously, all this is free. Right there in that corner, you're going to find a big channel symbol. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've done that, if you so choose, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? That's a beautiful question. That way YouTube will be able to send you a notification every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But guys, there we go. My quick look at Chesapeake Beard and Grooming's mystery box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, you're having a safe day, and we'll see you in the next video.